Welcome to Kick Well.
What are we making today?
Jello.
Jello Jigglers Animals.
Hi kids.
What are we making today?
Jello.
Jello Jigglers Animals. Wow, so fun. Okay, can you open it? Show the kids. Whoa, that's the animal molds.
Look at this Jello shapes.
Ooh, what color Jello is that? Yellow
and blue.
Okay, which one do you want to make today?
This one.
I want to make blue Jello. Berry blue Jello. Okay, kids.
Let's make a big Jello.
Okay, KK, can you pour it in the bowl? Wow, blue Jello. Okay, and then you add 1 and 1/2 cups of really hot water. That part. Okay. Good job. Wow. Okay, Michaela, can you stir it?
Thursday.
Stir it really good.
Blue. Whoops.
Is it yummy? What does it taste like?
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry. Good job. Okay, kids, now you have to spray the molds with this pan non-stick spray. Spray it in there, and then we're going to pour the Jello into the animals. Michaela, tell me what animals they are.
Gorilla and a lion.
Ooh, and that's an elephant. Say elephant.
Elephant.
And zebra.
Huh?
Oh, too much. And a monkey. Blue monkey.
Too much, Mom.
And a lion. Roar. And a giraffe. Yay!
Blue fish for mints.
Yep, it has to go in the fridge for 3 hours. And then when they come out, they look like this. The animals are done. Okay, kids.
It's time to eat them. It's mixed shapes.
Let's see, there's the zebra. Let's see if any of the other ones will come out. All of the shapes, kids. Giraffe, monkey, lion, zebra, and an elephant. Kayla, do you want to eat one?
Yeah.
Which one?
That one. So little kids.
Jello for you kids. Mmm. Use the rest of our Jello, kids. The rest of our Jello is going to go in here. We're going to put it in the fridge for 3 hours so we can make some special shapes. Excited?
Yes.
Okay, KK, what are you going to do with the leftover Jello?
It's this.
Make a star? Ooh, Jello Jigglers. Good job.
Here's the shapes.
There's the star, sort of. These are good. Yummy, kids. Cool. Jello star, kids.
Would you like kids?
Want to try? Yummy. Okay, this was our Jello Jigglers mold day. Say see you, kids.
Bye.
So get the Jello Jigglers. Mwah. See you, kids.